China, Russia, and the United States are considered to have the most powerful militaries in the world. When it comes to fighter jets, China has a growing fleet with around 1,900 combat aircraft. Russia, on the other hand, is known for its formidable military and possesses over 1,500 fighter jets. The United States, as expected, leads the pack with approximately 2,200 combat aircraft, making it one of the largest air forces globally. In terms of sheer numbers, the United States surpasses both China and Russia in the quantity of new fighter jets. However, power shouldn't be measured solely by the number of fighter jets, as capabilities and technology also play a significant role. China has been rapidly modernizing its military and developing advanced fighter jets like the J-20 and J-16. Russia's Su-35 and Su-57 are renowned for their maneuverability and advanced systems, cementing Russia's reputation as a dominant force. The United States continues to innovate, with fifth-generation fighters like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. Each country has their own strengths and weaknesses, making it difficult to determine who has the most powerful military. Ultimately, the strength of a military lies in the integration of various forces and capabilities, not just the number of fighter jets. It is important to consider factors like training, logistics, intelligence, and overall strategy when assessing military power. While these three nations are often in the spotlight, other countries also possess formidable military capabilities. The power balance among nations is constantly shifting, as technological advancements and geopolitical factors evolve. In a rapidly changing world, military strength remains a vital aspect of ensuring national security and maintaining global stability. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for amazing content.